Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a fall tablescape. I am so excited that you guys chose to click on this video because today I also have a surprise inside this video, so make sure you watch the full video because what I'm going to do, you are not going to be expecting it. And if you're interested in this summer tablescape, I will link that in the description box. Without further ado, let's hop into this video. In my mind, you guys, I wanted to make this little centerpiece a little bit taller, but it just didn't work out. Keep moving like the river goes, baby, going down, 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 down. If you watched the fall kitchen island decor video I did last week, and if you didn't, what are you waiting for? Because what I'm doing is adding leaves, which are the same leaves I put on the island, to the centerpiece to make everything look cohesive together and make it look like I bought it from the same place. I didn't know if I wanted to go with the white plate or the orange plate. I went with the white plate. It looked better up under the bronze plate. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now know it's so. You guys, I am so in love with these fall leaves this year. I got them from Hobby Lobby if you guys are interested. I should let you know. Yeah, now know it's no more. We don't know it's no more. We don't know it's no more. We don't know it's no more. No, no. We don't know it's no more. We don't know it's no more. We don't know it's no more. No, no. Yeah. Believe it or not, you guys, I never do a pre-run of how I'm going to decorate something. In my head, I know the items that I want to use. I don't know how I'm going to put it together until I'm actually decorating. So I just wanted to put that out there. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more. No, I got so high on a hill. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No it's no more. We don't know it's no more. We don't know it's no more. We don't know. Now originally I wanted to put some corn husk under those pumpkins. They were just too yellow. So I went with napkins and putting the pumpkin on top of there. And it actually turned out better looking than what I thought. How can we come? Tell me it's not. Cause every time you stop, I feel trembling in my heart. How can we come? Tell me it's not. Cause every time you stop, I feel trembling in my heart. How can we come? Tell me it's not. Cause every time you stop, I feel trembling in my heart. I have no cause burn. And till my day comes, here's what I'm gonna do. You sit up in my soul, my bed, and my feeling. I must confess, I'm a blessing for you. You sit up in my. I wanted to stop real quick before I finish the cabinet over here. I want to show you guys a new feature that I thought of as I was decorating the table. So I want you guys to wait right there. Ta-da! You guys, I'm about to decorate this tree for fall. How do we come? Tell me this.
you guys, although this tree turned out beautiful, I am not gonna lie, I did end up taking it down, but I wanted to leave it in the video because I know somebody else out there, they're going to love this ideal. For me, I just didn't think the flowers went with the decor that I have, and I thought it would, but it just did not flow to me. But I think it's a really good ideal. They did not have any more of the leaves that I wanted, because that's actually what I was going to do, but I ended up getting the sunflowers since they didn't have those. But I know somebody else is still going to get a great ideal out of it. All right, guys, let's talk about it. Let's talk about that decor that's behind the table. It is just plain. It's just not giving me the vibe I want it to give me along with the table setting. So I had to amp up that decor back there. So you guys will see that here in just a second. I just left that in there also because I want to show you guys, hey, we mess up sometimes, but we can fix it. This hay is getting everywhere.
Think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. I'm so sorry about the bitter end.
What I'm showing you guys here is that the stem on the leaf is just too long, so I'm using smaller leaves to cover up that stem, and I'm using that little twine to actually do that. That actually did not work, so I ended up getting out my trusty zip ties as always, and it actually worked using the zip ties, and then I put it on there.
But I hate being cool, I can't be cool to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehaved. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In the aftermath of us.
You guys definitely let me know if you like the first or the second fall decor ideal that was on this cabinet. I'm in love with the second one. I think it looks amazing. I'm so glad that I ended up switching it. Also, let me know what you think about the tree. You think I should have kept it or let it go? But if you guys are interested in more fall videos on this channel, check them out over here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.